Most enterprises do not have an AI problem. They have a production problem. Getting AI to run affordably and responsibly at scale with clear returns is where the real work is. And most of the industry is not built for that. Meet HCLTech AI Factory, an engineering-led end-to-end offering that covers the full stack, from data center design and build to infrastructure operations, to the cognitive layer where AI actually runs. Sovereign, deployment-ready, and vendor-agnostic, built on 3 decades of running mission-critical infrastructure for global enterprises, structured around 3 services: AI data center design and build, validated reference architectures for high-density AI workloads, engineered for power, cooling, and performance from the ground up. Second, AI data center support, physical infrastructure operations, rack integration, sustainability, and automation. And third, AI infrastructure and services, AI environments across private, public, edge, sovereign, and neo-cloud, including inference, model services, and FinOps for AI. Together, they cover everything between the raised floor and a production AI workload. And we are taking AI Factory a step further. Most AI infrastructure is monitored by people. Ours is increasingly run by AI itself. Through edge AI and robotics embedded within the factory environment, autonomously inspecting, managing, and optimizing the very infrastructure that AI runs on. 3 things make HCLTech AI Factory different. First, it is built on engineering rigor, not abstraction. Blueprint-led architectures that are optimized for cost and performance before deployment, not after. Second, the ecosystem breadth is unmatched. From NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, HPE, and many others on hardware, to Microsoft, Google, AWS, and others on cloud, to AI model and platform providers across the stack. And third, production-grade operations and responsible AI are built in. GPU orchestration, observability, FinOps, and 24/7 managed services designed for secured and sovereign AI, not adapted from something else. For G2000 enterprises already running HCLTech's AI Factory, the numbers are in. GPU utilization up 35 to 40%, more from infrastructure already in place. AI use cases in production 40 to 60% faster, from proof of concept to enterprise ready. Platform engineering and operations effort down 30 to 45%. 30 to 40% lower TCO through FinOps and centralized infrastructure. 20 to 30% reduced cost per simulation. Enterprise-grade security and sovereignty compliance built in as standard. The next phase of enterprise AI belongs to those who can run it. HCLTech AI Factory. AI built for scale, engineered to run.